Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Nidhi and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, fashion, home decor, travel. बोले तो जो आपको चाहिए वो यहाँ मिलेगा. So subscribe to my YouTube channel because subscription is absolutely free to my channel, and also press on the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload the video. Keep supporting. Guys, this video is about 6, not 5, but 6 products that can make your life easy from Amazon and just in 500 rupees. So the first product that I'm gonna show you is ta-da! Since I've shifted to a new house, I've been always in search of a new such quirky, very nice products. So these are the 2 lamps I have bought it from Amazon in just 275. Can you beat that? 275 के 2 लैम्प्स क्या मिलता है 250 रुपये में यार आज की डेट में. Look at them. They're so pretty. So we're working from home these days. So I thought to get these 2 lamps for my table, basically my workstation, so that I can decorate it. The next product I bought is for my kitchen, which is ta-da! So this is basically a hand chopper wherein you just cut your pyaz, tomato, whatever you wanted to chop it, cut it, put it in this, and all you have to do is like this. And this has made my life so easy in the kitchen. I'm not a kitchen person at all, but then this product is lifesaver, guys. This is a lifesaver for the girls who like me, who don't like to go in the kitchen. So this product, I bought it for like 300 rupees from Amazon itself. Isn't it cool? So the next product I bought it from Amazon is this. So this is basically a makeup remover sponge which is by Earth Rhythm, and they have a zero waste initiative by Soapwork India. So this is how it looks like. So these are the 2 sponge that you get it in one packet. So it's for a 150 rupees. I bought it from Amazon. So basically all you have to do is just गीला करो पानी में and just remove all your makeup from your face. It will get all your face makeup on this. So these are for the girls who are too lazy to remove their makeup after coming home. So this will make your life easy and super easy. Do try for them. Next product that I have and I've ordered from Amazon is this. Now this is what. So since I'm a makeup lover, so I bought this set of brushes. So it looks like this. I haven't opened it yet. You can see. So I bought this brush set from Amazon for just 375. Can you beat that? इतने सारे brushes just for 375. So basically I was looking for a set of brush for my regular use. So I thought of buying it for I was looking for very sasta products for a regular use kind of a thing. So I bought it for this like a 375, which has almost 24 brushes in this, and it covers from face, eye makeup, your foundation brush, your fan brush. But yes, there are some brushes which are not in this, which I had to buy individually, like blending brush, contour brush, flat brush. There are several brushes which are not there, but then 375 for so many brushes is not a bad deal. So the next product I bought it from Amazon is ta-da! So this is basically by the brand called Urban Botanics Nature Care. So guys, I have a lot of pigmented skin, so I have untoned skin. I was looking for a vitamin C serum for my face for a very long time. After being reading a lot of reviews, searching a lot, I finally landed to this brand, which is Urban Biotechnic. And this brand this product is basically a vitamin C serum which has 20% pure vitamin C, green tea extract and vitamin E. So this is again a lifesaver, which is only for 475. So I'll just show you this. How does it look? I'll just open it. So I've not even opened this yet. I wanted to show you guys. So this is how it looks like. Look, this looks so pretty. So I'm gonna review this particular serum soon. I'm gonna upload a video with the honest review about it. The next product is something which is my favorite brand. I'm sure that a lot of female watching this video would love this product, and this product is by so this product is by Miniso, which is one of my favorite brand. I'm just missing Miniso. I'm just missing shopping at Miniso. It's been like a 1.5 month I've not visited this place. Guys, I can't tell you, I am dying to visit Miniso. I love their products. So I bought this chew from Amazon in just 300 rupees. Can you beat that? These two hair bands in just 300 rupees from Amazon. I'm gonna show you how they look like. So here it is. Ta-da! Oh my god, it is so soft. It is so soft. I just love Miniso. So this is basically a hair band that I've ordered it. So I do a lot of skincare routine, and also my hair get messy when I apply anything on my face. So I was looking for something like this. So when it comes to Miniso, it is always my first preference for such kind of a bunny hair. So guys, this is all what I have for today. This is all what I've ordered in just 500 rupees. This time I'm gonna come very soon with another new video, with new concept, with new thoughts, with new things which you can follow it. Till then, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends, family and relatives, whoever you want to. Keep following. Thank you. Bye.